one. We're gonna make a big one this time. Are you ready? All right, first C. 1, 2, 3. We go down, make a big C. Then we're gonna make another C. Make sure that all of these lines, they touch. And then another C on the other side. Very good, very good, very good. You got it. Yes, good, clean job. Awesome job, buddy. All right, that's all we got. I love it. I love it. You guys doing awesome. I know it's challenging, but so far so good. Yes, yes, on the whole bottom. I want them covering the bottom of your canvas. We're gonna have blue and white on that plate. We're gonna take all the whites, a little bit of blue, and mix it together. But don't mix it well. Just mix it randomly. Don't mix it too well. Because what I want is to see a little bit of blue and a little bit of white on your painting. Demonstration. I'm going to take my brush with white and blue. I'm going to have streaks of blue showing up. Sometimes I'm going to have streaks of white showing up. Up, up, up. And we're going to mix our sky with blue and white. It is not clean. It is not neat. I'm going to see some blue here, some white here, okay? But remember, left, right. So we have a very, very smooth texture on the canvas. If you go over the little pumpkins a little bit, we're gonna paint them anyway, so you'll be all right. I'm just gonna say, grown-ups, the kids are better than you. Because when you do this, you crush it. Look at it. When you do this, you crush it a little bit, right? So just use it like a pen, left, right, left, right. That looks amazing. All right, go all the way down to your pumpkins. Make sure the sky is all around the pumpkins. Everybody's almost done. That's good. You work fast. All right, if it's a little tough, you can just paint the whole pumpkin one color and then go back later and use your black paint to outline again, or white. It's okay to do that too. If it's ready for the tree, that tree is gonna give us a lot of work. The next step for that tree, we're gonna use green, orange, yellow, all of it. I'm taking my medium brush. I'm tapping it into the green paint. And all I'm gonna do is little taps all over the tree, everywhere around the tree. On the trunk, I'm just tapping. And we're gonna keep tapping with all kinds of different colors. Another awesome day at Colton Middle School. We had a beautiful, beautiful family time. Family, parents, kids coming together, painting, getting off of these screens and just staying together, breathing, relaxing, and being creative together. That's what we love with Golden Touch. Thank you, Golden Touch, for doing all this and for really gathering families together for these awesome days. Follow us for more. Ha ha ha!